In this video, I will be showing you how to download and use the Files Anywhere Outlook add-in. Outlook users can enjoy the benefit of Files Anywhere right within their inbox. The Files Anywhere Outlook add-in makes it possible to send large files, even entire folders, instantly in a single email. First off, the add-in can be downloaded by logging into the user interface. Click on the name in the top right-hand corner and click on Profile/Account. From here, we're going to go to Mobile and Sync, and then we're going to click on Download Outlook Add-in. Please note that you will need to have Outlook closed while you're downloading and installing the add-in for it to work properly. Once it has been downloaded, you will open up Outlook. Click on the Send Files Add-in button. Once the Outlook add-in opens, enter your account details or log in with your SSO credentials. Enter username and password. Please note that if you have a professional or enterprise account, be sure to click on Set Default on the left and enter your client ID. This can be found in the welcome email you received, or contact us and we can find it for you. Once you have entered all the required details, you can check the option to remember username only or remember username and password. Clicking Login will take you to the Outlook add-in interface where you can add files or folders with the buttons on the right. Clicking Add Files or Add a Folder will bring you to your local directory, and you can choose which files or folders you wish to upload and share with Files Anywhere. Once you have selected the file or folder for upload, an upload button will appear on the right. Click on the Upload Now button and the Outlook add-in will begin the upload process. It will display the progress and elapsed time, time left, as well as a progress bar and a cancel upload button if you need it. Once the data has been uploaded, the Outlook add-in will open a new message and place the newly generated FileShare link in the email message. Now you can send your FileShare link to your recipients of choice. For additional tips and help articles, please go to support.filesanywhere.com. We have many guides and videos at your fingertips. Or call us at 1-888-661-6565. Thank you.